Hello there. Christmas is coming soon. I really hope there's a miracle the pandemic will go away while white snow is falling this Christmas. I made another Christmas item as if I was praying. Of course, when I made this Santa doll last time, I also would have prayed, but it was not working. This time, let's pray all together while we make this ornament for our miracle. I'm atheist, but don't care if we have different religions. The important thing is that we have the same wish, isn't it? The first thing that we are gonna do is to take a dish and put the fabrics front sides together. Next, we're gonna trace around it and stitch along the line except the opening. It's time to cut it out. You need seam allowance a little bit. Clip the seams because this is gonna make it easier when you turn it front side out. Let's turn it. Poke the corner all the way around with a chopstick to make it nicely. As you can see, I've already pressed it with my iron, so now I'm closing the opening with leather stitch. Our next step is to fold it in half and place the pins so you know where the center is. Now open it up and bring the pins together and place the bottom of the edges. Using a needle and thread, we are gonna insert the needle where those two pins are and just go around several times to hold these two edges together. Now bring those two edges together that have the pin it in, but I still have my needle and thread, so now stitch those two edges together. If you have four corners that look like this, and take each of the corners then fold them over. After you folded the corners, make sure that the corners are flat on the back. This is that you can hang it on the branch of your tree. If you attach a button, you can finally finish making our ornament. Thank you for watching me. See you next video. Bye.